Hello buddy, San here, engineer, MBA, and investor. And in today's video, I want to talk about Verve Therapeutics raising money through the public markets. Basically, it was announced recently, and of course, we are on a beautiful Saturday on the 2nd of July. So hopefully, you guys had a beautiful Canada Day for all Canadians, and of course an upcoming 4th July for all Americans. Lots of good things coming. It is of course summertime, but I do want to talk about this release basically published by Verve Therapeutics. Props to Yair on Twitter for bringing this up. And basically what is going on here is that Verve Therapeutics, obviously the CRISPR company, using base editor's license from Beam Therapeutics, working on heart diseases, has issued a prospectus for a sale up to $400 million of Verve Therapeutics debt securities, common and preferred stocks, units, and or warrants. It also converts the sale of Verve Therapeutics common stock up to $150 million under a sales agreement at Jefferies. And then a couple of comments here going over bad time to be raising money. CRISPR Tommy says, ouch, it is not good anyway. So obviously, lots of negative response here, and this is of course their official press release here on that the filing they have to give anyways to the SEC. As any of these companies, when they want to raise cash to the public markets, they have to disclose it. They have to publish such release there, and this is of course subject to completion. Dated 1st July, so they did this on Friday towards the end of the day. So. My thoughts, right? My thoughts. What are my thoughts? I think this is perhaps the worst time to be raising money. The company stock is down, heavily down. I mean, from its all-time highs when it went IPO shortly in 2021. I think the company is down well over 60, 70%. I haven't checked it here, but pretty sure it's well over 60%. So to be raising cash at this point, I mean, for any company, not just CRISPR companies, not just, tech companies, not just companies, in a status where they're deemed to be reinvesting in R&D long term. Not just those types of companies, just any companies, right? We are in a market crash. We are in an environment where there's lots of inflation, lots of uncertainty, and generally you want to be in a position where you have cash in the bank. And of course, a lot of these companies, including Verve Therapeutics, had the opportunity to raise cash in early part of 2021, mid part of 2021. And actually most companies did, including Verve Therapeutics. The idea that they have to now raise $400 million is definitely alarming. It is definitely not good. For a company that doesn't even have phase 1 clinical data on any human, for a company that has not even begun any phase 1 clinical trial, that to be needing to raise $400 million cash, which at this point is... it's basically Caribou's market cap, right? Just a little bit more, a little bit less than what Verve Therapeutics is working the market cap, right? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. What's the price there? Sorry, guys, I'm using like a keyboard here from my laptop. It's hard to use it. So Verve stock, right? So can we get here? Okay, so let's just go on Verve. Yahoo Finance. Market cap, $770 million cash. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. That means they're basically raising over half of what they're worth right now in the public markets, and the company stock has been down significantly. I mean, if you take a look from its all-time highs, about $70, funding $4 a share, and now you're giving it at raising it about $15 a share. That's a lot, guys. Look at this. It is a lot. That's I don't even know how to quantify that at this point with this chart here, but whatever. Let's do something like this. Let's do something like this, right? So down about 62, 63, 80, almost 70%. I mean, it's crazy. I definitely don't think it's a good idea. Again, I'm not one of the folks in those companies who knows what they know that we don't know. But regardless, raising this cash should be alarming for all their shareholders, all investors, because one, it's the bad time to raise money, and two, do you really need that much cash to be in your bank right now, considering you don't even have phase 1 data? I mean, who knows? Where is this money going? I don't know. Lots of answers to be answered there, lots of questions to be answered to investors. We'll end this video like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this video if you found value, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful Saturday and a beautiful weekend. Thank you.